Hey everyone, welcome back. It's time to learn how to quickly speed up the haptic touch on your iPhone. Is your iPhone taking too long to respond when you long press icons or menus? Don't worry because the haptic touch duration might be set to slow by default on your iPhone. Fortunately, iOS lets you easily adjust the sensitivity and speed of haptic touch in just a few taps. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. So first and foremost, you have to launch the Settings app on your iPhone, and then you have to choose the accessibility option, and then you have to head over to the physical and motor section and select the touch option, and then you have to tap haptic touch, and then you have to choose the fast or default option. It's worth pointing out that when you select the speed, you can test it using the flower image on the screen, and that's pretty much it. By simply adjusting the haptic touch settings, you can make your iPhone react faster to your long presses, thereby improving both speed and usability. Now that you have unlocked this super handy feature, make the most of it as and when the need arrives, and I'll catch you up in the next one.